Stop scrolling right now, because what you're about to see is the kind of car reveal that the automotive world waits decades for, a machine so extreme, so impossibly engineered that when Bugatti unveiled it in June 2024, the entire hypercar industry felt the shockwave. This is the Bugatti Tourbillon, the all-new successor to the Chiron and the future king of the hypercar world, limited to just 250 units, priced at over $4.1 million, and designed from scratch with zero shared parts from the outgoing model. Named after the tourbillon mechanism used in ultra-luxury mechanical watches, this car isn't just built for speed. It's built for perfection, precision, and timeless engineering. And if you think Bugatti just slapped a new name on the Chiron, think again, because the tourbillon is an entirely new species. Its exterior alone tells a story. The iconic horseshoe grille, the elegant central spine, the dramatic C-shaped profile cuts, and the two-tone bodywork all pay tribute to Bugatti's heritage. But everything has been redesigned from the ground up. The design theme is skeletonized engineering, meaning every visible mechanical part, from the suspension geometry to the interior cluster, is intentionally exposed like the open movement of a luxury watch. It's aggressive, aerodynamic, artistic, and functional all at once. But the moment you slide inside, that's when the real magic begins. Bugatti said they wanted the interior to feel timeless even 50 years from now, so they built something no one expected. A fully analog mechanical instrument cluster that looks and behaves like a high-end Swiss watch. The needles move like hour and minute hands, gears rotate behind crystal glass, and the entire cluster is made by Swiss watchmaker Concepto using titanium and machine components. Even crazier, the steering wheel has a fixed central hub, meaning the outer rim rotates, but the center stays perfectly still, keeping the instrument cluster visible at all times, just like a cockpit gauge in a fighter jet. And unlike older Bugattis, the Tourbillon finally features a center infotainment screen, but it retracts into the dashboard when not needed, preserving that timeless, mechanical purity. But let's talk power, because this is where the Tourbillon absolutely destroys expectations. Instead of the Chiron's quad-turbo W16, Bugatti has built an entirely new naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V16 engine designed by Cosworth. Yes, you heard that right. A naturally aspirated V16 in 2024, revving to 9,000 RPM, producing 1,000 horsepower on its own. Pair that with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front, 1 at the rear, and the combined output explodes to an insane 1,800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production cars ever created. The electric motors alone add nearly 800 horsepower, giving the Tourbillon instant EV torque, along with the emotional, spine-tingling scream of a high-revving V16, 0 turbos, 0 lag, maximum drama. Bugatti has basically fused the soul of an analog hypercar with the instant force of modern electric power, creating a driving experience that's both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. But it doesn't stop there. The engineering under the surface is just as wild. Bugatti partnered with Divergent Technologies, the company behind Singer, to develop AI-designed, 3D-printed suspension components that are 45% lighter than the Chiron setup. The chassis is made from advanced T800 carbon composite with 3D printed structural braces, and the battery isn't an afterthought. It's integrated into the monocoque for maximum rigidity and weight savings. The diffuser even doubles as a crash structure, removing the need for a rear crash beam and saving even more weight. Performance? The numbers don't even sound real. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour under 2 seconds. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour under 5 seconds. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour under 10 seconds. 0 to 400 kilometers per hour under 25 seconds. And a top speed of 445 kilometers per hour, 277 miles per hour with the speed key. Without the key, it's limited to 380 kilometers per hour, still faster than most cars on Earth. This is more than just a hypercar. It's a statement from Bugatti that the future of extreme performance can still be emotional, mechanical, artistic, and brutally powerful all at once. The Tourbillon isn't just the successor to the Chiron, it's the next chapter in Bugatti's legacy, the return of pure mechanical soul, and the birth of a new era where analog passion meets electric evolution.